In this video, we will cover how to jog your machine using the B58 controller, equipped on all Axiom Elite series machines. First, make sure your machine has been properly homed. The positive and negative buttons for X, Y, and Z will allow you to jog in one axis or multiple when pressed. Simply hold down the button and the machine will jog in a continuous motion. In the bottom right-hand corner, you'll find the information screen. The third line down will show you if you're in fast or slow speed. Pressing the blue fast-slow button will allow you to switch between speeds. You can also make micro adjustments. While under fast speed, pressing any button one time will move that axis by 0.5 millimeter increments, or 0.5, which you can see on the screen. Switching over to low speed allows you to jog by 1/10 of a millimeter, or 0.1. For more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. We hope you enjoyed this video. For more information, you can always refer to your Axiom user manual or visit us online at axiomprecision.com.